Hello, thank you so much for watching this video, for taking the time to watch this video. I know you guys are super busy. And a special thanks to Amber for giving me permission to shoot this video for you guys. And what this video is, the purpose of the video is just to kind of show you guys some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online. I did notice that you guys have multiple branches, and it could just be that you're just not ranking in Bradenton, Florida for that specific location, but it's okay. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so first things first, as I was kind of scrolling through your website, I did notice that it was super easy to navigate. It's really pretty. So whoever made it definitely took the time to actually build this thing pretty sleek, super easy to navigate. And I did all this, before I started filming this video. But before I go any further, there's three things that I want to talk to you about. Okay, so the first thing is going to be content. The second thing is going to be backlinks, and then the last thing is going to be citations. And so, as I said about your website, it's super easy to navigate, but unfortunately, guys, Google doesn't really care about how beautiful the website is or how easy to navigate it is, how user-friendly. What they care about is content, right? And the amount of keywords you have on your web page. So if your website is able to answer a question from someone on Google, then you're more likely to be found, right? So using those keywords, buyer intent keywords, people that are ready to purchase your product or to get in touch with you, right? Because you offer the services that they're looking for. So if I were to highlight all of your content here, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it on my I'm going to put it on my word counter here. And let's see. So you have 282 words. So a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So you would definitely want to up that, okay, to at least 1,500, at least add 1,500 more. If you wanted just to add the 1,300 just to get those 1,500 words, you would definitely want to do that, okay? That would definitely help Google find you in the map pack and in the organic listings, even easier. So you would definitely want to use keywords as well, like landscaping Bradenton, Florida, or landscaping services Bradenton, Florida. Anything with the city right next to it is a keyword because those people are actually looking for your service right away, looking to purchase, looking to work with, and hopefully get these services done ASAP, right? So the second thing that I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. Okay, so backlinks, I went on ahead and typed your URL into my tool here. Now this is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are other tools out there that you can definitely use that are completely free. You can just search up keyword researcher, backlink searcher for free, things like that, right? And you can see what I'm seeing. And this tool just helps me see exactly what's going on in the background. Okay, and the reason I thought that you guys would be maybe a franchise or a corporate level business is because I am seeing that you have a lot of referring domains and a lot of backlinks, bringing you $10,000 in traffic at least, and 2,600 people are viewing your website per month, right? You have 602 keywords total, but your website over here is saying that you only have 242 keywords on your homepage alone, right? So that's kind of what made me believe that your organization is a lot bigger, right? It could just be, as I said, that you're just not ranking for Bradenton as well as your other areas. So referring domains are just the amount of other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, and backlinks are just the amount of times that they're doing so. So they're doing it 1,100 times, these websites, okay? Let's see, your competition in Bradenton is Landscape 941. Okay, I did the same thing to theirs. They're ranking higher only because I feel like they're targeting local keywords in Bradenton, right? Which is why Google was able to find them in Bradenton better than you guys. I had to kind of go through the third page of Google to find you guys, and it just could be, as I said, you guys aren't just targeting local, Bradenton, or maybe you're having the same problems in other in other cities as well. So kind of the same thing. It would be easy to kind of dominate these guys your competitors over here and kind of take Bradenton all to yourself. If I'm completely honest with you, not all backlinks are created equal, and Google knows that you're not a restaurant or an Arby's or anything like that, so they don't want restaurants and stuff like that to be pushing traffic to you. They want to see actual landscaping companies or landscaping blogs, guest posts, things like that are pushing traffic to yours because it's more trustworthy and more associated with what you guys do. Right. And then the last thing that I'm going to talk to you about today is how I found you guys, right? Is I typed in landscaping Bradenton and you guys were not here on the map pack, and that's completely fine. I mean, it's not fine in the sense that you guys aren't getting the amount of business that you should be getting. You're leaving a lot of money on the table, and Landscape 941 is number 3, right? They're not even in the top spot here. So with that being said, a citation is anywhere that you could find your business on a directory, right? So a directory could be white pages, you've got yellow pages, Yelp, you've got Home Advisor, places like that. Those are all different directories, and as long as they can see on those directories, as long as you have your address, your phone number, your website, if they allow it to be on there, and the name of your company, then that would count as a citation. So if these guys over here at Landscape 941 have 100 different citations, then you would definitely want to one-up them by putting 150 or 200 local citations so that you can be found here on the map pack. You could be getting all the business, you could be getting all the leads, and you'd be getting more phone calls, right? And essentially it'd be up to you to close those people so that you can get more business, right? Or more money in your pocket. And so with that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So the first thing you can do is you can take all this information and do it all yourself, right? Ensuring that you have proper backlinks, local backlinks, so that people can find you in Bradenton. The same thing with the content, ensuring that you have 2,000 words on that website with relevant keywords for Bradenton as well. And then also doing the citations, right? Doing the research and seeing where Landscape has their citations, or Landscape 941 has their citations, and where they're putting their business in directories, and then use those for yourself as well so that you can rank here locally in the map pack. Or you can definitely outsource some help. If you are needing any help or guidance with that, you could definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you guys, okay? To help you guys be number 1 in Bradenton, as well as any other areas that you guys might be struggling in, okay? Well, thank you so much for this time. Again, a special thanks to Amber for allowing me to send you guys this video. You guys have a wonderful day.